How to add RSS feed to Shopify. So right here, first we want to go to elfsite.com, and here we will generate the code. So you want to click on login or sign up free, and then I will just continue with Google, and I will use one of my Google accounts here. So click on continue, and you have successfully logged in. Now right here we want to use the search tool, and we are going to search for RSS, and you should see this RSS feed. Build your unique RSS feed presenting different news sources. Once we click on it, then we can choose a template for it. I will do this one, and after we have chosen it, we will click on continue with this template. And right here we will choose the add source button, and we have to type out or put the RSS URL right here for our news source. But basically, after we have chosen it and put the RSS URL right here, we can change the appearance, we can mess around with the settings here, but as well as the layout. But I will leave it like so for list, and then we choose publish. Now this will ask us for a subscription, but we will do free and select it. And now as you can see, we have the RSS code right here, and we want to click on copy. Now if we go back to our Shopify store here, then we will go to online store. It will automatically take us to the themes page. Then we want to scroll down, and we want to click on customize. So for this part of the tutorial, we will click on add section, and we want to search for custom and choose custom liquid. Now here is where we actually add the code itself. So click on custom liquid, and we can type out the liquid code right here, and just paste it as well on custom CSS right here. So after we have typed this out, just click on save, and this will successfully add your RSS code to your Shopify store. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.